In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons to Google Docs. To do this, we'll need to utilize an add-on, so let's dive into the process of getting that set up first. The first thing you want to do is open your Google Docs document. Once you have that open, you'll notice a menu at the top of the screen. You're going to click on Extensions. Don't worry if you're unfamiliar with this menu, it's straightforward. Under Extensions, hover over Add-ons and you'll see a sub-menu appear. From here, you'll select Get Add-ons. This action will take you to the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is essentially the App Store for Google Workspace products. In the search bar at the top of this marketplace, type icons for slides and docs. The add-on we're interested in is called Flaticon. Once you've found it, click on it to proceed with the installation. Google Docs might ask for your permission to install this add-on, which is completely standard for new tools. Click Continue, and you'll need to sign in using your Google account if you're not already logged in. You'll be prompted to allow certain permissions. This is necessary for the add-on to function properly, so go ahead and click Allow and then Done to complete the installation. For the sake of time, I've already completed the installation on my end, but these steps should help you get through it smoothly. Now that we've got the add-on installed, let's move on to using it. You'll again go to the Extensions menu at the top of your document. From the drop-down, select Icons for Slides and Docs. You'll click on Start, and this will bring up the add-on interface on the right side of your Google Docs screen. Once the panel is open, you have a couple of ways to find the perfect icon for your document. There's a search bar where you can type in keywords related to the icon you're looking for. For instance, if you need a star icon, just type the word star and hit Enter. This action will display multiple options for you to choose from. When you find the icon that fits your needs, click on it and then select Insert. In just a second, the icon will seamlessly appear in your Google Doc, ready to enhance your content visually. And there you have it. That's how you add icons to Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Happy